Easy.
You have to have a service for that. Okay, microphone's actually on. All right, so we have our y prime. I am going to erase the screen and continue with just y prime. Well, I probably shouldn't have erased the question there, but oh well.
Yeah.
We're just going to calculate the next derivative anyway.
Yeah.
All right. So now we want the derivative of that. So we're going to take the derivative of that product. So we have one factor is e to the 4x. And the other factor is 4 cosine 3x minus 3 sine 3x. Okay. So how do we take the derivative of a product? Remember, you take the derivative of the first guy and then add, or you take the derivative of the next guy, right? So simple as that. And that's something that you need to know by heart.
Yeah, 4 cosine of 3x.
It's good to practice it. So the derivative of that one. All right. So right, the derivative of this one is just 4 e to the 4x. We just copy that factor down. You're going to hear all these pencil clicks too in the recording. All right, so and then copy that factor down, e to the 4x. Take the derivative in there.
Which is,
okay, so the 3 and the 4 will combine because the chain rule have that 3 come out. The derivative of cosine is negative, actually. So negative sine. Okay.
3x.
And then here, this 3 and this 3 will combine because
9.
this 3 will come out, right? 9. And then the derivative of sine is cosine.
Sine.
And there you have it, up to simplification, right? You just have to simplify. All right, so we're going to do common factor, e to the 4x, e to the 4x, right? Those are going to be our common factor. We'll take those out. Okay, so that's e to the 4x coming out. Okay, so that means this 4 is actually staying, so that means we have to distribute it.
Which is 16.
Okay, and distribute that. 16 cosine 3x
Minus 12.
minus 12 sine 3x. Okay, now this guy doesn't have anything else. We're just taking out the e to the 4x, so nothing to distribute. So we'll just copy the minus 12 sine 3x and minus 9 cosine 3x. And now we just have to simplify, right? Combine cosine like terms, right? Cosine, and now let's see another color. And the sine like terms. Okay? Easy enough, right? Okay. Alright, so that e to the 4x just copies down. Oh, we'll do cosine first, right? So 16 minus 9.
Which is...
Okay, and now the sine, minus 24, right? All right, so that's the derivative of the derivative. So we now have our y double prime. Right?
Oh, this is the y double prime. E to the x. Oh, the y double prime, yep.
Yeah, so now we have them both on this one page.
So now we have to plug it, huh? This is